Let me walk you through how to pull structured data from any website, from first click to exported dataset, focusing on scraping commodities trading data from LME.com. Get to the page where your data is already visible, then let Minexa do its job. From here, open the extension by clicking the icon at the top right. The panel is open. Press "I'm on the right page," and Minexa begins the page scan. And, just like that, the main list of results is identified. List only, or should Minexa follow each result to its detail page? Keep going with Continue Advanced if a click, scroll, or form submission is needed before results show. Minexa highlighted the data block. Click Create Scraper, and it learns every field automatically. All data points detected, including stock names, quantities, and report dates. Select what you need, and they never change between runs. Developers, click API Request to get ready to run code with JS rendering and proxy settings already in place. Click to confirm the configuration, and the scraper is locked in. Minexa detected the pagination button automatically. Change it if needed, or leave it as is. Final screen, connect Google Sheets if useful, set a frequency if needed, then create the job. The job is set up. Hit run, and extraction begins. Nothing was interpreted, inferred, or adjusted anywhere in this output. Every value is exactly what existed on the page at the moment it was scraped. You can see detailed LME stocks and market reports data points like inventory levels, warehouse locations, and timestamps all captured precisely. Hit Export, and the complete dataset is yours, ready to open and work with. Minexa gets data out of any website automatically, for anyone. For developers, it replaces fragile custom scrapers and expensive LLM pipelines with one reusable trained scraper.